All right, guys, so real quick, if we hop into the actual review over the Air Jordan 12 A MA Maniere in the white pair, I wanted to clear it up right now that the white pair drops on March the 2nd. So in a couple of days, we'll be getting the white pair, but today, the black pair did release, and you would not believe what happened. I'm going to show y'all what happened in just a second. And when I seen this, I said, ain't no way your boy actually secured a dub. And as you guys can see right here, man, your boy took a huge dub. Let me see if that focuses real quick. I'm gonna put a screenshot. Matter of fact, your boy hit on the black pair of the Air Jordan 12 A MA Maniere. So your boy's gonna be doing a comparison coming very, very soon. Right now, I need you guys to let me know down below in the comment section which one you like more, the white pair or the black pair. Right now, the resale is going down a little bit for the black pair, which is to be expected. It was a lot of dubs going out, which I'm happy for. Shout out to everybody that did hit. But let me know which one you like more, the white or the black pair. And let me know if you hit today for the black Air Jordan 12 A MA Manieres. I'm very interested in knowing. I know a couple people probably saving their duggets for that day, but I think those are definitely going to be the most hyped out of the two. That's my honest opinion. Let's go ahead and spin the actual in-depth look over Air Jordan 12 white A MA Manieres, man. Let's get right into it and spam them likes up. I had to hit you guys with the in-depth look of the Air Jordan 12 A MA Maniere in a white colorway. These did release in a black colorway along with these joints right here, and I had to be honest with you guys, this is definitely by far my favorite out of the two. And real quick, before we jump any further in this video, I need you guys to let me know right now down below in the comment section if you were lucky enough to hit on a pair of Air Jordan 12 A MA Manieres right now down below in the comment section, man. What's going on YouTube, man? Thanks for tapping in once again to yet another video. You guys know we did break these things down a little bit earlier on the channel. I think about a month or two ago, we broke these things down, showed y'all, you know, saying how these things was coming, but we did not point out some of the details. So we're gonna break these things down and get a deep dive look into the Air Jordan 12 A MA Manieres and where do they rank as far as all of the other silhouettes that they have collaborated with Jordan Brand. So sub up right now to the channel, hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any content, more unboxings coming, more reviews, and of course we got some more early things touching down on the channel, so make sure you guys stay tuned for all that. All right guys, so I wanted to point out the box. As you guys can see, you have the A MA Maniere logo going all around the box and this little vinyl little plastic shell that you get around the Air Jordan 12 box. Really cool. You got this on almost every one of your A MA Manieres, if I'm not mistaken. I got the 1s, 2s, the 4s, and I had, what did I cop last? Yeah, I think I got those, and I got these right here, and they all came with this little shell with the A MA Maniere logo going all around it, and then it leads you to the actual Air Jordan 12 box. But this is not your normal box. You got, of course, got your quality inspired by the greatest player ever, and then over here you have the A MA Maniere branding with the Jordan logo. And then peeling it open, if you guys have your pair in hand now, you get the A MA Maniere logo right here, and you have Jordan during his flu game with the Air Jordan 12 flu games on feet, man. So something to note with these Air Jordan 12 A MA Manieres is the leather quality. Leather quality is really good going around the entire sneaker. Like I'm talking about all around it. They put that premium touch around the sneaker and a nice white leather. I'm not too sure how the black is coming, but the black pair does look like it has a suede all around it. But on these, you get just regular tumble leather on the upper. You get that nice suede mud guard on the outer of the sneaker and on the inner right here. And of course you have your Jumpman logo going on the side panel of these Air Jordan 12 A MA Manieres. Kind of have a nice contrast between the burgundy leading down towards the dark burgundy on the sneaker. Then you have your white and black carbon fiber plate down there with your two white piles on the outsole along with the Jordan Jumpman right there. That would have been super cool if they would have threw an A MA Maniere logo. I just got to point that out. You have an A MA Maniere logo on the lacing system along with another Jordan emblem right there. Super neat. And it would have been dope too if it would have threw like some extra laces with maybe some metal tips. That would have been super dope. But you got your regular standard white rope laces in these Air Jordan 12 A MA Manieres. You get this entire like quilted material going around the entire sneaker right there, as you guys can see. Like I said, giving it that premium touch. This is a women's exclusive, and I noted it multiple times. I feel like when it comes to women's exclusive and Jordan Brand, they just go crazy with the quality and all the hits that they do for the sneaker. You get your A MA Maniere tab on the back with the Jordan up there, and of course you have your 2-3 near the midsole of the sneaker. And then on this tongue, you get a regular little pop out 3D Jordan logo right here, but on the left shoe you get the A MA Maniere logo. So check it out, man. The left shoe, you get the little nice pop out emblem with the A MA Maniere logo, and then you do get this A MA Maniere tag, and you get a tag for every single one you got. And if you got every one, if I got 5 of these things, I know you're not gonna wear it, but it is cool for them to throw something different in the boxes, man. They really match the quality well with both sneakers. You know, sometimes you get like a flat leather on one shoe, and then the other shoe you get some crazy tumble leather, but the leather quality is pretty good on the left shoe as well, along with that nice velvety suede on the mud guard right here. Really good in color. I definitely wouldn't keep this one in the box because this is definitely gonna bleed. So take it out of the box, get some wears out of it, because sooner than later all of this, you know, burgundy suede-ish material will bleed onto whatever you have these laying on. So yeah, guys, that is it for the review of the Air Jordan 12 A MA Maniere. Need you guys to let me know right now down below in the comment section if you got lucky enough to secure a pair. Did you add them, or did you have to pay that resale bread? Because I know a lot of people love Air Jordan 12s, and people love, you know what I'm saying, supporting the grind from A MA Maniere. So let me know all that down below in the comment section. And one last question I want to pose to you guys. I did an actual video where I broke down every single silhouette that A MA Maniere collaborated with besides the Air Jordan 3. But I want you guys to let me know, where do you rank the Air Jordan 12 A MA Maniere with all the other silhouettes that they have collaborated with Jordan Brand? Y'all drop those down below in the comment section. I'm very interested in seeing how you guys are actually feeling about, you know what I'm saying, what A MA Maniere is doing with Jordan Brand. Hey, drop them comments right now in the comment section. I appreciate everybody for tuning in. Another, you know what I'm saying, look at a crazy sneaker, if you ask me. Another collab. This is probably one of the best collabs that we will see all year. We haven't seen any Off-White dropping. We do have a pair of Travis Scott's coming out later this year, but honestly, I will rank these over the Travis Scott Air Jordan 1 lows that we will be seeing in 2023. Subscribe right now to the channel. Please leave a huge like if you enjoyed today's content. More on the way, I promise you guys. And of course, we got some more early looks cooking up for the Vintage Squad, man. Make sure you guys go tap into all my social media, which is down below in the description box, so you guys don't miss out on any restock, shock drops, or exclusive access that Jordan Brand will be dishing out for us throughout the remainder of the year. Again, I appreciate you guys tapping in. I love you guys. And with all this being said, man, I'm gonna catch y'all in next video. Peace.